Hey guys, my name is Reese Evans. I'm with Evans Trucking, and I'm going to throw a strap today and teach you guys how to do it without breaking stuff. So, first things first, your D-ring matches up with the hook. You need to have the strap like this and not the other way, so when you release it, that it does not bind up on you. So we want to use our arm like a catapult. It's the best way to get the most leverage as you're throwing it. You do not want to throw this like a baseball. You will hurt yourself. So, like so. Now once that's done, we pull this down. D-ring goes through the rub rail here. Hook it in. Now we're done on this side. Okay guys, now that we're on the other side of the truck, we're going to grab the strap that we just threw. We're going to give it a tug, make sure it's over top of the ratchet, and we're going to step away from the trailer and fold it up. Now, it is important to recognize that we are going to be strapping on the outside of the rub rail, not on the inside of the rub rail like this. Because if you feed this through here and you tighten this up, it will pull this and bend it out. So we want to make sure we're over top of it. So now we're going to step back. We're going to fold this up. Now this is a short strap and a tall load, so there's really not a whole lot of excess here. But once we're done folding, we're going to go underneath like this. Put this in here right now for a placeholder. Usually like to have it here so that when it tightens up, it pinches it and keeps it tight. But now we're going to take the tongue of the excess and we're going to feed it through the D-ring and pull it up like this, because you want this to bite when you turn onto it. So now that we're turning it, you see it's biting right here, so we're good to go. Tighten it as good as you can by hand, straighten this up. Now we get the snipe bar, feed it into the hole, click, click, click. Do that a few times. We've got a tight strap.